In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the sum of 1 to 10 numbers using loop. We are going to use for loop in our program. So write a program to calculate the sum of 1 to 10 numbers. The very first thing we need to do is define a class, public class sum. Public is the keyword which allows your class to be accessible outside the package or from anywhere on the system. Public class is a keyword followed with name of the class. Name of the class is sum. Open the curly bracket, close the curly bracket, and you need to write the code inside the class scope. Define the main method. Main method is the entry point for every core Java program. If there is no main method, your program will not execute. And we have yet not seen the concept of methods. So we'll be writing all the code inside main method only. In the next videos, we'll be using methods for different tasks. Signature for main method is public static void main, and it takes string array as a parameter. Open the brace, close the brace, and write the code inside the main method. The first statement is int I. Second statement is int s equal to 0. We need two variables I and s. I is used for iterating the loop and s is used for storing the result. You can declare both the variables on the same line also. So as soon as interpreter reads this statement int I, memory for variable I is allocated inside the stack memory area. So suppose this is your stack inside the RAM. Memory for variable I is reserved over here. And the second statement is int s equal to 0. So memory for variable s is reserved inside the stack memory area. And we are initializing variable s to 0. So value 0 will be stored in here. We are using for loop. Whatever code you want to execute repeatedly, you need to write it inside the loop. Syntax for loop is for keyword, initialization statement, condition, and increment or decrement statement depending upon the logic. Open the curly brace, close the brace, and the code that you want to execute repeatedly should be written inside these braces. So when the interpreter reads the loop, the very first thing executed is initialization statement I equal to 1. So we have already declared variable I and memory is reserved for variable I. Here we are initializing the value of I to 1. So 1 will be stored here inside the memory reserved for variable I. The next is condition check. Value of I is 1 less than or equal to 10. Now I is initialized to 1 because we are calculating sum of 1 to 10 numbers. The first number to be calculated is 1. And the condition is I less than or equal to 10 because the last number to be calculated is 10. So our condition stops at 10. So 1 less than or equal to 10 condition is true. And when the condition is true, control of the execution comes inside the loop and the statements inside the loop executes. Here we have written the logic s equal to s plus I. So let us calculate this. Value of s is 0 plus value of I is 1, which is equal to 1. So now the updated value of s is 1. Hence inside the memory 0 will be replaced with 1 and the updated value of s is now 1. From here, control of the program will go to the increment statement I equal to I plus plus. I plus plus is I equal to I plus 1. Now the value of I is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now the updated value of I is 2. Hence inside the memory 1 will be replaced with 2. And now the updated value of I is 2. So from the increment statement, control of program goes to the condition. Now the updated value of I is 2. Hence the condition is checked whether 2 is less than or equal to 10. 2 is less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Control of the program comes inside the loop and the statement inside executes. Now the updated value of s is 1. Hence 1 plus value of I, that is 2, equal to 3. So inside the memory, this 1 will be replaced with 3. And now the updated value of s is 3. After execution of this statement, control of program goes to increment statement and I plus plus executes. The value of I is 2 plus 1. Now the updated value of I is 3. Hence inside the memory, 2 will be replaced with 3. Now the updated value of I is 3. So from the increment statement, the control of execution will go to the condition and I less than or equal to 10 will be checked. The value of I is 3. 3 is less than 10, condition is true. Hence control will come inside and this statement will execute. Value of s is 3. Value of I is 3, which is equal to 6. Now the updated value of s is 6. So 3 will be replaced with 6. The latest value of s is 6. After this statement is executed, control goes to the increment statement and I++ is executed. Value of I is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now inside the memory 3 will be replaced with 4 and now the updated value of I is 4. From the increment statement, control goes to the condition and it is checked whether 4 is less than 10. 4 less than 10, condition is true. Hence control will come inside the loop and this statement will again execute. S equal to s plus 1. Value of s is 6. Value of I is 4, which is equal to 10. So now 6 will be replaced with 10. Now the updated value of s is 10. From here, control will go to the increment statement and I++ is executed. Value of I is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Hence inside the memory, 4 will be replaced with 5 and now the updated value of variable I is 5. From the increment statement, control goes to the condition. Value of I is 5. 5 less than or equal to 10 is checked. 5 is less than 10. Hence control comes inside. This statement is executed. S equal to s plus 1. Value of s is 10 plus value of I is 5, which is equal to 15. Now inside the memory 10 will be replaced with 15 and the updated value of s is 15. So after this statement is executed, control goes to the increment statement and I equal to I plus 1 is executed. Value of I is 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So inside the memory 5 is replaced with 6 and now the updated value of I is 6. From here, control goes to the condition. Value of I is 6. So 6 less than 10. Condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. Statement is executed. S equal to s plus I. Value of s is 15 plus value of I is 6, which is equal to 21. Now the updated value of s is 21. Hence 15 is replaced with 21. After this statement is executed, control goes to I++. So I equal to I plus 1 is executed. Value of I is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 6 is replaced with 7. Now the updated value of I is 7. After the increment statement is executed, control goes to the condition and I less than 10 is checked. Value of I is 7. 7 less than 10, condition is true. Control comes inside and s equal to s plus 1 is executed. Value of s is 21 plus value of 7 plus value of I is 7, which is equal to 28. So the updated value of s is 28. 21 is replaced with 28. After this statement is executed, control goes to I++. I equal to I plus 1 is executed. Value of I is 7. So the updated value of I is 8. 7 is replaced with 8. After the increment statement is executed, control goes to the condition. Value of I is 8. 8 less than 10, condition is true. Control comes inside. S equal to s plus I is executed. Value of s is 28 plus value of I is 8, which is equal to 36. Now the updated value of s is 36. 28 is replaced with 36. After this statement is executed, control goes to the increment statement. I equal to I plus 1 is executed. Value of I is 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 8 is replaced by 9. And now the updated value of I is 9. After the increment statement is executed, control goes to the condition and it is checked whether 9 is less than 10. Condition is true. Control comes inside the loop and the statement s equal to s plus I is executed. Value of s is 36 plus value of I is 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. Now the updated value of s is 45. 36 is replaced with 45. After this statement is executed, control goes to the increment statement and I equal to I plus 1 is executed. Value of I is 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So inside the memory 9 will be replaced by 10 and now the updated value of I is 10. After the increment statement is executed, condition is checked. Value of I is 10. 10 is equal to 10. Condition is true. Hence the control comes inside the loop and the statement s equal to s plus I is executed. So value of s is 45. Value of I is 10, which is equal to 55. Now inside the memory 45 is replaced with 55 and now the updated value of s is 55. So after this statement is executed, control goes to the increment statement and I equal to I plus 1 is executed. Value of I is 10 plus 1 is 11. So inside the memory 10 is replaced with 11 and now the updated value of I is 11. So over here, whether 11 is less than or equal to 10 is checked. Number 11 is not less than 10. Number 11 is not equal to 10. Hence the condition is false. And here the loop terminates. Because the condition is false, control does not go inside the loop and loop stops iterating. So from the condition statement, control of execution will come to the next statement written after the loop, system.out.println. This is the text printed to the console. Sum of 1 to 10 is colon. This is printed as it is to the console, and variable s. Variable s will retrieve its value inside the memory. The updated value of variable s is 55. So 55 is retrieved from the memory and it is printed to the console. Println method is used to print to the console. So this way the loop works and we are able to calculate sum of 1 to 10 numbers just writing one statement of the code.